Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. In today's project, I will be making card using designer paper, and this is the designer paper pad I'll be using from, and this is the sheet I'll be using in today's project. This is a beautiful designer paper pad. There are lots of beautiful papers. I love this pad. It's beautiful, it is, and I'll be using it in my future projects also from this. It's very nice. So I'll be using this for my card, and I'm going to trim the sides. Um, I'm cutting like ½ inch smaller, and then these are the dies I'm going to be using for this project, and they are from the Sizzix. I'll be listing all these products also in the description box. Now for this I'm going to uh, color it little bit to give a shade. I'm going to place it and see first before I stick everything together. And then now I'm going to first add the leaves. These are again very pretty leaves. I'm just going to see if I can add more leaves so it can cover little bit for the background. You can use any other flower dye also for this. I'm going to put all the things together now. Now the flowers are ready. So now I'm using double-sided foam tape. Now I'm placing the small flowers and see where it looks good. Then I'm going to use double-sided foam. using these gems to put it in the center of the flower. Now for the background, I'm using pink cardstock. Now for the sentiment, I found this sentiment in my stash, so I'm going to use that for this card. Now for the final touch, I'm using sequins. So now this finishes my card. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of this video. So I will see you in my next video with a new project. Thanks. Bye.